Hey there, welcome to Real Women Real Results, where our clients share their body transformation success stories through our 90-day weight gain transformation program. Meet Nishma, a professional actor in Mumbai who is starring in big movies. She was still feeling a little underconfident with some blouses that she was wearing, maybe a little skinnier arms. She wanted to gain strength, build some muscle, gain weight, and improve her food habits because of her busy schedule. In just 90 days, she gained so much weight. She is more healthier now. She feels so much more confident in all the clothes that she's wearing, and she's doing amazingly well inside out. If you want to see her amazing transformation, keep watching.
So, yes, first of all, congratulations. We've
Thank
completed
you.
the 3 months and there's yet much more to come. But
Yeah,
I can see a lot of difference in you, Nishma. How do you feel completing the 90 days? Are you proud of yourself?
I am quite proud of myself. I think there were those phases where I was finding it really difficult to be consistent because of my random schedule and this consistent traveling. But I was looking forward to being like working out and like looking forward to being getting back to that routine. It's been great, and especially when you start seeing those little progresses, little differences, it kind of fuels your motivation even more. So that happened, yeah.
Amazing. So, what
Yeah.
challenges were you facing earlier that we've overcome these months?
I think just getting myself to work out, like that was the major challenge that I was facing before this. But then I think that was happening because I didn't know what kind of workouts do I need to do, what kind of how many reps, how many sets do I need to do, because I had no idea. So I used to follow whatever I find on Google and just do that. But that wasn't tailored to my
Mm.
requirements or wasn't tailored to particularly me. And because this 90-day plan was tailored by you for me, it was easier. I found it easier to do it also. Like I just found that okay, agar hu first 2-3 weeks mein if I'm only be able to do like 15 reps, maybe after those 2-3 weeks I'm able to do 20 reps. So I wasn't pushing myself, also I was being gentle with myself ki okay, maybe first 2 weeks mein nahi tha, but after that I'm going to be able to increase it eventually. And when I did, I could see that okay, the strength is increasing. That's what,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. So, definitely we've built a routine, Nishma, that wasn't there before.
Yes,
And
yes,
even
yes.
in between your shoots, I think meals have been great. Not
Meals
really
have
heavy.
been great. Yeah, meals have been great.
Great. So, how have your
Yes.
energy levels been? Do you feel like
Oh,
you're more energetic?
yeah, definitely. And I think more energetic is number one there, but also I don't feel that fatigue the moment I wake up. That used to happen before, that I would just feel tired, not even tired, but like lethargic to get up and like
Mm.
do things. But now in the morning, it's not that because I have my meal routine also sorted.
Amazing, amazing. So, initially, you had mentioned, I think a couple of weeks ago, that there's some blouse that was fitting you really well now. So, what difference
Yeah.
do you see, like physically, after gaining weight?
Yeah, I mean, as we talked about that blouse was, so I always get my blouse stitched a little away from my exact sleeve
Mm.
or exact arm size, because I would always find them to look very skinny if they're like hugging to my
Yeah.
arm. It was always a little loose. I asked them to make it a little loose. But then when I tried it for a photo shoot last month, I no in October, end of October,
Yeah.
I found out in pictures I could clearly see the difference. I was fitting like perfectly. And when I tried it on, I was scared that I might have to, loosen it
Arey
right
wah.
now, or I'll have to
Yeah.
wear a different blouse. Pachi,
Hmm.
I had to try out my Navratri blouses also. I had to
Oh.
see what change there is, because after that there was Navratri. So I was
Yeah.
like, okay, if this is a little loose, then I also have to ensure that the others are not that tight, or else I'll have to get them
Mhm.
reworked. So I had to open a few of them, but otherwise they were fitting proper. They weren't looking
Yeah.
loose, which was
Yeah.
a good thing. And otherwise, the cheeks they've become fuller, and everyone around me, I cannot mention who all have told me that. Like
Yeah.
everyone has seen a difference. Every friend that I meet after a long time, they're like, you've gained weight, or like your cheeks are fuller. And because of that, I think I also look a little more mature, or that
Yeah.
baby face is reduced. And it's also not like I've developed a double chin or anything. It's like
Yeah.
healthy, fuller cheeks, not like
Absolutely.
unhealthy fat buildup. So that was
Correct.
a good thing. I also felt like my arms have had the most difference.
Yeah.
So that's there. A few shorts, I find it difficult to get into them. So that is there. But the
Yay.
waist is, yeah, yeah, yay. But the waist is still pretty much my size. So I
Okay.
find it good that I still don't have to buy new jeans. I can still wear my old jeans. But the shorts of I am finding it difficult to get into them. But once I get into them, the waist is fine. So it's not like I've gained a stomach or
Yeah.
anything, which I was scared of, when we had the
Yeah.
first conversation that I don't want to be fat or
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
great. You've gained weight in the right places, you can say. That you still
Yeah. Yeah.
have that thin waist, but a bigger butt, you can say, like thicker
Yeah.
thighs a little bit.
This has been a perfect start for me to start fitness. Like this has been the
Correct.
perfect start. And I still want I think right now we've had a 3 kg progress, which is great, I think,
Yeah.
considering that there were times that I couldn't stay consistent with my workouts. Still, that this gain was there and has been there.
So overall, how was your experience with, like, let's say Team Fitnia or me as your coach?
It was great. I mean, I know there were times when I couldn't reply to your text because I have this terrible habit of forgetting to reply. But I liked how you still kind of, checked up on me that, okay, you've forgotten to reply. Now, how is it going? So that was there. So then I would always know that, okay, I don't have to forget to reply. I need to reply and tell you how my progress has been. And every time you asked me about how it has been, that gave me a chance to reflect on my past week.
Correct.
Otherwise, I wouldn't have. If I would have been busy, okay, next week shoot hai, aadi was se shoot hai. But you gave me that pause to, okay, no, wait, let me just sit and relax and check out. Like yesterday only, I think we had a conversation over
Yeah.
WhatsApp. That what changes I felt. So that time when I was thinking and I was sending you that voice note, I realized, oh yeah, this has happened, this has happened, this has happened.
Yeah.
That just gained that perspective kind of came
Correct.
back. Yeah, so that's helped
Exactly.
a lot. The workouts are perfectly tailored. The way you explained in the videos about what we don't have to do is also so
Yeah.
important. Like when we're making push-ups, my elbows would always go out. But now I
Yeah.
know that, okay, no, they need to be inside the
Hmm.
part of our body. And also that, okay, if I'm not able to do that full push-up, if I'm a beginner, what should I do? If I've
Yeah.
gained that expertise, what is the next step? That has helped a lot. Those resistance bands, what are they
Tubes. Yeah.
called? The tubes,
Tubes.
they've
Yeah.
helped enormously. I started enjoying working out even more because of the tubes. Especially, I love your warm ups. I
Yeah.
genuinely love the warm up because I did not feel soreness in my muscles after doing the
Correct.
workout. And even if there has been a week that I couldn't work out and now I had to start again from square one from Monday, there was no soreness because your
Correct.
warm ups were there. And after that, the cool downs also really helped a lot. I also felt that my stretchability and flexibility has increased. Earlier, I
Nice.
wasn't able to put my meet my toes with my hands. Right
Yeah.
now, also I'm finding it a little difficult, but the distance between them has reduced. So
Reduced.
that I could see,
Yeah.
yeah. So that difference also I could see. So all those ways, it has been wonderful. I think it's been great. Yeah.
Amazing. So happy, Nishma.
Thank
And
you so much for it. Yeah.
that's okay.
Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified fitness coach and a weight gain specialist. We've helped transform hundreds of busy working women globally through Fitnia's 90-day weight gain transformation program. If her story inspired you, then there are dozens of stories in our Real Women, Real Results playlist. Binge watch them, get inspired, and if you're ready to transform yourself in just 90 days, then click the link below to book a one-on-one consultation call with us and get started today.